The people of Hoosick Falls are growing impatient. One reason? Well, today marks 3 months since many of them gave blood for testing, and they're still waiting for the results to come in. Results that will tell them if they have a dangerous chemical in their blood, and if so, how much. Kimberly Howard just got back from Hoosick Falls. Kimberly, what's the holdup on these PFOA tests?
Yeah, well, Cody, the State Department of Health has pointed out before that these tests are not simple, but keep in mind, they've been saying that the results would be in 2 to 3 months. Today marks the 3rd month to the day since the testing began.
You don't really trust them.
Exactly.
Not quite yet, yeah.
James and Velma Brown have lived in Hoosick Falls for 44 years.
We can see the plant from our house. It's like a view from our house.
Concerned about PFOA in their water, they were among the first to get their blood tested by the State Department of Health. I spoke with them more than 3 months ago when they signed up.
I learned my levels and stuff, but then what do I do?
That was the Browns' question then. But 3 months later,
Nothing.
they haven't even been able to cross that bridge.
You know, we all want to know what's going on and what our blood level is. And not to know is kind of annoying.
It's a sentiment shared by Hoosick Falls resident Linda Isaias, who also had her blood tested in February.
I don't know what takes so long.
Health officials say testing for PFOA is complicated. It isn't like a simple cholesterol test at your doctor's office. To make matters worse, the Department of Health says there are only 4 labs across the country certified by the state to test for the chemical. Still, health officials have been saying for weeks that the results of the first wave of those tested for PFOA would be out in 2 to 3 months.
To be honest, that is frustrating, but working with my water and all that, the whole thing has been frustrating.
Now, spokesperson for the Department of Health tells me people can expect those results in the next couple of weeks. I'm told they're not only busy compiling those results, but making sure people have some context to compare their numbers to. Now, once the results go out, health officials will be available by phone to explain what the numbers mean. If anyone in that area has not had their blood tested, you can still call 518-402-7950 to schedule an appointment. And we also want to mention 2 Hoosick Falls residents who have been active in bringing the PFOA crisis to light. We're honored by the EPA in New York City this afternoon. Michael Hickey and Dr. Marcus Martinez received the EPA's Environmental Champion Award. Hickey is the man who alerted officials about the contaminated water back in 2014. Dr. Martinez helped form Healthy Hoosick Water, that initiative, last year. Cody?
All right, Kimberly, thanks for the update. Of course, to follow along with our ongoing coverage of the water crises in Hoosick Falls and other local towns, log on to CBS6Albany.com and click on the Water Crisis tab.